Take the wheel off, use a 21mm socket, take the lug nuts off, remove the wheel. On the back side of the link, to keep it from spinning, use a 19mm wrench. And then use a 18mm socket, take the nut off. Just slide that out. For the bottom one, I'll do the same thing. Use a 19mm wrench, an 18mm socket to take the nut off. And just grab the link and slide it out. And slide the bottom part in position through the sway bar and put the nut on. Now I can use a 16mm wrench on the stud side. Use an 18mm socket, tighten down the nut. Tighten that up. If you have the ability to get a torque wrench in here, you can torque this nut to 66 foot-pounds. And slide the upper part of the link through the shock bracket. Put the nut on. And torque this to 66 foot-pounds. Put the wheel back on. And the lug nuts. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go back again, double check.